Science facts with marbles.
Dance.
Science facts with marbles. Hey, hey.
Hey kids, Professor Marbles. Today I've got another 5 incredible science facts for you. Here we go! The hardness of a rock can be tested with a fingernail, a penny, or a nail. You kind of just want to take the rock and you want to just scratch it. And it's going to be testing whether or not the rock chips away, so you can determine if it's harder than a fingernail but softer than a penny. And you're going to figure out the hardness of a rock somewhere in there. And that's called the Mohs scale of hardness. Luster of a rock can be described as metallic or non-metallic, and that's how shiny the rock is. Gold is very metallic, so shiny, shiny, shiny. Iron, not so much, very dull. Cleavage describes how a rock breaks. Sometimes a rock breaks nice and clean. Sometimes they break a little rough and rugged. Some rocks, like this one, break into cubes and other shapes with corners. How cool is that? Thanks, Editor Josh. Streak color can be tested on a black or white streak plate. Savannah?
Yes?
What is streak?
So when you have a mineral and you're trying to identify it, it's one of the characteristics where you take a white streak plate and you take your mineral and you scratch it against it and it leaves a trail of color powder behind it. It's one of the defining ways of how you could tell pyrite, which is fool's gold, from real gold, is it leaves a different color streak behind it, even though they look basically the same. But that's one of the 2 ways you can identify minerals.
Oh, science!
There will be a test tonight.
Thanks for watching, kids. Remember to always look for the science around you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week with more science facts.